I got the new Hunger Games book. I got the new Hunger Games book. I finally got the new Hunger Games book.
You make me move, you make me dance, you make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. You're the best I ever had.
Hey guys, I'm Ashley. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is my world of books, writing, and vlogging. And as you just saw in the very first clip, as you all may know, the newest Hunger Games prequel just came out like 2 weeks ago, I want to say. I think it was 2 weeks ago. And I finally got my hands on it, so I vlogged a little bit to show you guys my real initial reaction to getting it. So I'm gonna insert that right here so you guys can take it. Hey guys, I have to make this quick because I'm at work, but this is gonna be a little short little vlog reaction because since I'm right here next to Target, my sister and I might go in to get the new Hunger Games book, The Ballad of Snakes and Songbirds. I think that's what it's called. So you're going to get to see our up close and personal reactions to seeing the book and getting it. So yeah. But in the meantime, I gotta get back to work. So.
If I've been walking life with my eyes.
Getting closer. There's somebody on the right. Oh, there it is. There it is. In all its glory. Ooh, a collectible poster. Excited? How do I do that? So, oh my god, it's thick. So two? Yep. Why am I smiling? You can't see my smile.
Like a white ghost, lost in the time zone, thinking back on the years with
So I went to go get the new book after we got done work, and it was exciting. Sorry for the way I look all in this video. It's not pretty, but so anyways, here it is. God, it's bigger, but it's light, but it's really light. And I got the Target exclusive edition, I think, with bonus exclusive content and a collectible in-world Pan-Am poster. Ooh. Wait. No, that's not it. Wonder where the poster is. Well, I guess I'll find out anyways, but now I'm sure everybody knows about it, but I haven't read the official summary, so I'm gonna read it aloud now. So if by chance you guys don't know the summary of this book, you'll hear it now. This is newest Hunger Games novel by Suzanne Collins, which is the prequel to the trilogy, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. And on the back here it says, ambition will fuel him, competition will drive him, but power has its price. Ooh. And now going into the inside flap, it says, it is the morning of the reaping that will kick off the 10th annual Hunger Games. In the capital, 18-year-old Cornelius Snow is preparing for his one shot at glory as a mentor in the games. The once mighty House of Snow has fallen on hard times, its fate hanging on the slender chance that Cornelius will be able to outcharm, outwit, and outmaneuver his fellow students to mentor the winning tribute. The odds are against him. He's been given the humiliating assignment of mentoring the female tribute from District 12, the lowest of the low. The fates are now completely intertwined. Every choice Cornelius makes could lead to favor or failure, triumph or ruin. Inside the arena, it'll be a fight to the death. Outside the arena, Cornelius starts to feel for his doomed tribute, and must weigh his need to follow the rules against his desire to survive, no matter what it takes. Well, I'm really intrigued to see what this is all about, to see from President Snow's perspective. I guess we're gonna see. So, yeah, I'm excited to see this. This video is probably gonna be really short, but I just wanted to since this is a really special, popular book release, I decided to make it its own video. So I hope you guys liked it. I'm sure probably a lot of people have read this book already, so no spoilers. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be reading this right away because I don't know. Does anybody else? When I kind of read books in order that I get them, so unfortunately this is gonna be one of the last books I read because I don't know. I have so many more that's in front of this book, I guess. I don't know if that's weird or not, so don't make fun of me. But yeah, I don't know when I'll get to this, so no spoilers. Okay. But you guys can tell me if you liked it. If you liked it, you didn't like it. You guys can say that much, but yeah. So not much more to say in this video, so give this video a thumbs up if you got your own copy of the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, and comment down below, I don't know, whatever you want. Nice things though. And if you're not subscribed, please do for more videos. If you want to see, I do plan on doing a video like this for Midnight Sun, which could be even more interesting than this one since I'm a very big Twilight fan, but we'll see. So subscribe if you'd like to see that video when Midnight Sun comes out. Yeah. So anyways, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!